Hello, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you Honda HRC. This is a 2014 on a 64. Absolutely original, just as it left the factory. It is absolutely lovely. I've owned one myself. They're a fantastic bike. It is the non-ABS one, so you're going to have to get your man card out, as Nick's just told me to say. ABS is not going to save you on this one. Turn it on for you. Digital dash on these later ones. 10,532 miles. I'll give it a start for you. It is absolutely lovely. I've got a couple of these in stock. Come down and see them both for yourself at Jordanbikes or give us a call.